So today I'm going to show you how to make a healthy breadless chicken parmesan. So first you want to heat up your skillet. To make a stainless steel skillet non-stick, you do the mercury test. Heat it up until you drop some water on it and you get this mercury effect with the water where it won't sizzle. Dump the water out. Now lower the temperature of your pan because you don't want it to burn the oil. Add in your oil. So heat it up to the right temperature or it won't be non-stick, because even though the pan is hot, the oil is not hot yet. And you know it's done when you see a rippling effect on the oil. At this point, you don't have to cook the chicken all the way through because you will stick them in the oven. Now add in your chicken, skin facing down. So as you can see, once this is done right, the chicken does not stick to the stainless steel skillet. Now, if your oil is turning brown, the heat is too hot. Lower your flame. Now, I like to deglaze my pan with the tomato sauce to kind of pick up all the juicy chicken bits that's kind of a little bit stuck to it. You can't do this really with, like, say, a pre-seasoned pan or a non-stick pan because they kind of react with the acid in the tomato sauce. But that's the beauty of stainless steel pan. They're neutral and they don't react with anything. I like to top mine with thyme, little pepper, and garlic. Put it in the oven at 425 for about an hour. Check in 45 minutes to make sure to see if the internal temperature reach 165. At this point, you can start boiling some pasta. The timing on the boiling the pasta, follow your packet instructions. So once the chicken is up to the right temperature, you can remove it. Now, once the chicken is cooked, you want to put some mozzarella on top of it and stick it back in the broiler in the oven. I cook it until I see the mozzarella cheese just melt. I like to garnish mine with some Italian basil. Added a little Parmesan cheese on top, and you're good to go. Enjoy.